All right, you guys, this is part 3 of the first day number sense on our ELM practice here. So here we go. Which of the categories shown in the graph above accounts for approximately 1/3 of the company's expenses? Okay, so when you divide a circle up into thirds, something like that. And so this right here, if I just kind of rotated that right there, can you see? This is right here. The travel is about the 1/3. So here's travel right there. So we get the choice D right there. Okay. All right. Uh, so this next one, the circle graph above represents the percent of total revenue a publisher receives from various types of publications. Of the following, which best describes the percent of total revenue that is derived from the textbooks and cookbooks? Okay, so here's textbooks and cookbooks. Doesn't that look like about the 1/3 right there? Okay, 1/3 is about 33% right there. So it's going to definitely be this one. This one, it's a little bit more than 33% right there. Can you see this? It's just a little bit more. So anyway, so I'm guessing choice C on that one right there. Okay. All right. So the graph above shows the yearly sales from firm F. Which is what is the average? Average is the sum divided by total of the yearly sales of firm F for the 3-year period from 1979, 80, and 81 in millions of dollars. Okay, so let's get these totals right there. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 7 million. So average is the sum of those numbers divided by the 3 numbers, so we get 5. So choice C on that one right there. Okay. The recorded high temperatures of 4 successive days were those numbers right there. What's the recorded high temperature on the 5th day? If the average, remember average is sum divided by total. So there's 5 numbers. I'm going to let X be the 5th number. There they are divided by 5 right there when we add them up. So those add up to 342, and then I multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of that. So 425, and then subtract 342, and we get choice C right there. Okay. All right. At a soccer. At a scooter, as a scooter salesman, Gerardo keeps track of how many scooters he sells each week. And his first 4 weeks on the job, he sold 9, 4, 7, and 6 scooters. In his 5th week, he sold K scooters. All right, so this one's the median. The median is the middle. So if the middle number, the median number of the scooters sold per week for the 5 weeks is equal to that 7, which must be true about X. So if we put those numbers in order, we get 4, 6, 7, and 9, and K is going to float somewhere in here. Now 7's in the middle. So K can't be over here because these two are already taken up from the 4 and 6. So K could be 7, it could be 8, it could be 11, it could be anything that's greater than or equal to 7, choice C. Okay. All right. So annual cost of water per household in the 5 communities. What's the median annual cost? So we're going to put these numbers in order, and the median is that 434. Choice C right there. Okay. All right. Almost done. So an investment company advertises that last year its clients on average made a profit of 9%. Okay, which of the following claims can legally be made on that information? Okay, what I did is this one took me a bit right here, but what you can do is start eliminate some of the answers here. So all of their clients made a profit of at least 9%. Well, no, that doesn't make sense, you guys. Okay, on average made 9%. So some of them are below, some of them are above. Okay, so that doesn't mean all of them. You see the words like all, those are usually false, you guys. So right here, all of their clients will make a profit of at least 9% this year. That one's false also right there. Whoops, I've got 18 minutes left. I got to hustle. All right, so if a person becomes one of their clients, that person will make a profit. No, because some of them will be above, some will be below. So it's one of these two guys right there, okay? All right, so since we don't know how many clients there were, there might be just 2 clients. And so if there are just 2 clients, that means at least one of them is going to make a profit of at least 9% right there, okay? All right, so it was choice B right there. So Abraham's physics class has 40 students, and his class has an average of 75. So the sum of their scores is going to be 40 times 75. Anita's class has 20 students and their average is 81. So the sum of their scores is going to be 20 times 81. What's the average of all the students? Okay, so the trick is you multiply those to get the sum of their scores in each class, and then you're going to go ahead and add their two scores together. I'm sorry, they're two class numbers together. 40 plus 20. 40 plus 20 is 60. There's 60 in all. Their total sum is that. So the sum divided by the total amount is going to give us 77. So choice A on that. Okay. All right, you guys. Hope that makes sense. And take care.